We're about to head deep into the heart of America's most stunning landscapes, but this isn't your average stroll in the park. We're talking about unlocking the secrets of the U.S. national parks, discovering hidden trails, and surviving the wild crowds. This isn't about luxury, it's about raw, untamed beauty. We'll face scorching deserts, navigate dense forests, and scale towering peaks, all while respecting the power of nature. Remember, preparation is key to survival, so pack your gear, grab your canteen, and get ready for an adventure. We're about to embark on a journey that will test your limits and leave you breathless. Let's go! Out here in the wild, timing is everything. You want to experience the serenity of nature, not get caught in a human traffic jam. Peak season, usually summer, might seem tempting, but trust me, it's a different kind of jungle out there. You're battling for parking, campsites, and even a decent view at sunset. Shoulder seasons, spring and fall, are your secret weapon. The weather's still primed for adventure, but the crowds thin out and the park breathes a sigh of relief. Plus, you might even snag a deal on accommodation. Remember, the early bird catches the worm, or in this case, the best sunrise views and empty trails. So plan your trip strategically, and you'll be rewarded with a more intimate and rewarding experience. Just like finding shelter in the wilderness is crucial, securing your base camp in advance is non-negotiable. These parks are popular, and campsites and lodges book up faster than a mountain lion chasing its prey. Don't get caught sleeping under the stars. Unless that's your plan, start your search months in advance, especially for peak season. And remember, flexibility is key. Be open to different campgrounds or accommodations just outside the park to maximize your chances of finding a place to rest your weary head. Pro tip: check the park's website for reservation policies and cancellation deadlines. You never know when a flash flood of plans might change your course. Out here, your backpack is your lifeline. Packing smart and light is essential for navigating the diverse terrain and unpredictable weather of the national parks. First things first, layers, layers, layers. From scorching deserts to chilly mountaintops, the temperature can swing faster than a grizzly bear swatting at salmon. Next up, the essentials. A sturdy pair of hiking boots, moisture-wicking clothing, a waterproof jacket, a hat, and sunscreen. Remember, the sun doesn't discriminate, even when you're trekking through dense forests. And don't forget your navigation tools, a map, compass, and a GPS device. Trust me, phone signal can disappear faster than you can say, "Where am I?"
While we often seek to disconnect in nature, technology can be a valuable tool for enhancing your park experience. Most national parks have their own apps, offering interactive maps, trail guides, real-time updates on closures and events, and even wildlife spotting logs. These apps are your digital park rangers, providing invaluable information at your fingertips. Download them before you go, as cell service can be patchy in remote areas. Remember, technology should complement, not control your experience. Use it wisely to enhance your adventure, but don't forget to look up from your screen and soak in the awe-inspiring beauty surrounding you.
Remember, we're not alone out here. These parks are teeming with wildlife, and it's our responsibility to observe and respect them from a safe distance. Never approach or feed animals, no matter how friendly they may seem. A fed animal is a dead animal, as it becomes reliant on humans and can become aggressive. Keep a safe distance, especially from large animals like bears, elk, and bison. Use binoculars or a telephoto lens to observe them from afar. Always store your food securely and dispose of trash properly. Remember, we're guests in their home, and it's crucial to leave no trace of our presence behind. We're here to enjoy the pristine beauty of these parks, and it's our duty to preserve them for generations to come. Always stay on designated trails to avoid trampling delicate vegetation and disturbing wildlife habitats. Pack out everything you pack in, even biodegradable items like banana peels. They can take much longer to decompose in the wild. Be mindful of your water usage and try to minimize waste. Every small action counts when it comes to protecting these precious ecosystems. While iconic landmarks are a must-see, venturing off the beaten path reveals a different side of the parks, one often less crowded and equally breathtaking. Ask park rangers about lesser-known trails, hidden waterfalls, or secluded viewpoints. Explore beyond the park boundaries. Many surrounding areas offer stunning scenery and unique experiences. Embrace the spirit of adventure and discover the hidden gems waiting to be unearthed. Remember, the most memorable experiences often lie just beyond the familiar. If you're planning on exploring multiple parks, the America the Beautiful Pass is your golden ticket to adventure. For a mere $80, this pass grants you access to over 2,000 federal recreation sites, including all national parks, for a full year. That's a steal of a deal, considering most parks charge an entrance fee of around $30 to $35 per vehicle. You can purchase the pass online, at park entrance stations, or through authorized vendors. Trust me, the America the Beautiful Pass is an investment that will pay off in spades, giving you the freedom to explore the country's natural wonders without breaking the bank. The beauty of the national parks begs to be captured, and with a few simple tips, you can elevate your photography from snapshots to stunning works of art. First things first, lighting is everything. The golden hours, shortly after sunrise and before sunset, offer that magical, soft light that makes landscapes glow. Next, consider composition. Use natural elements like trees, rocks, or rivers to frame your shots and create depth. And don't be afraid to experiment with different perspectives. Get low, climb high, and find unique angles to showcase the grandeur of your surroundings. National parks aren't just for seasoned adventurers. They offer unforgettable experiences for the whole family. Start with the basics. Choose trails suitable for all ages and abilities, pack plenty of snacks and water, and take breaks often. Many parks offer junior ranger programs where kids can participate in educational activities, earn badges, and become stewards of the land. Remember, fostering a love for nature in young minds is the greatest gift you can give. So there you have it, the tools and knowledge to conquer the wild side of America's national parks. Remember, the most important gear you can pack is respect for nature, for wildlife, and for the legacy of these incredible places. Get out there, explore responsibly, and who knows what incredible adventures await. Stay safe, stay wild, and I'll see you on the trails.